Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got a couple of freebies for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. That's going to be geared toward fitness, one digital, one analog. Now with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick off this review. Number one is called AFW Basic. It's a basic analog watch face that gives you your step status info. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice analog look as well. When the watch face is on, you got a nice black background. It's going to save on your battery life as well. Battery efficiency should be through the roof with this one, and you get a traditional look so far as analog time is concerned. You got a nice floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. You also get your step status like steps, heart rate information, your battery. You're also going to get your date, and it is in the active, so if I tap on my date, I can pull up my calendar, set an event. If I want to check out my heart rate information, I could do that as well. Also same thing for your steps and your battery info. Now the watch face is in the active, and let's check it out. Now, if I double tap in the middle, you can change the hands, right? Now, it's in certain places where you double tap. Let's double tap right here. And this one here is kind of finicky, but you can change, of course, the minute hand as well. And I can change the icons in the middle. So let me double tap here. And I can change the icons of the step information. Not bad, right? What do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below because you know I want to know. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Gym Mate. For those of you all who want your information right up front, you don't want to have to tap into anything, this is going to be the watch face. You want to download, and yeah, it's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. It's a simple digital watch face with step status info. Now in the AOD mode, you're going to get an analog look, not digital, and it's a nice analog watch face as well. Now once the watch face is on, at the top you will get your battery info. You're going to get a nice stacked digital time, and also if you look to the right, you're going to get your step info, miles walked or ran. You're going to also get your calories burned, and you also get your heart rate information as well. Stacked digital time doesn't look bad at all, but for everyday workout watch face, this isn't bad at all. This is not bad to have on your wrist when you go into the gym. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.